नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हैं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? हाउ आर यू ऑल? आफ्टर सो मेनी डेज वी आर मीटिंग, राइट? ओके. How was the exam? Have you finished? It was easy? Okay, most of the students didn't send the paper. Please submit it in the school as soon as possible, because this time we are going to show the marks through the WhatsApp in the group. Okay, we are going to show the marks to the group in the group. Those who are not sending also, we are going to show it in the group. So please submit the papers as soon as possible. Okay, today we finished two lessons, right? First lesson is one poem, and fifth lesson why we taken means. Second lesson and third lesson little big lesson, right? So because of lack of time, if I am taking means it will take more time, more days. So I went to fifth lesson because fourth lesson is also a poem. So after one poem I don't want to take another poem, so that only I have chosen fifth lesson. And now I am going to take fourth lesson. So I'll take a textbook and page number 23 and write today's date on the up of it. What is the title of the lesson? Chand se thodi si gappe. Chand means moon, thodi si means little, gappe means chatting. So Chand se thodi si gappe means little chatting with the moon. You can see that in that page what it is, what you are seeing in that one girl is sitting and one big moon is there, is right? So that girl, she is talking with the moon, like that only, little chatting with the moon. So that only we are going, this girl, see, chand se dodi si gappe, down of that it is written something in the bracket, you see, 10-11 saal ki ek ladki. Who is chatting with the moon? One 10 to 11 year one girl, that only she is only chatting. Okay, we'll go to the lesson. गोल हैं खूब मगर आप तिरछे नजर आते हैं ज़रा, आप पहने हुए हैं कुल आकाश तारों जड़ा, सिर्फ मुँह खोले हुए हैं अपना गोरा चिट्टा गोल मटोल. She is telling to moon that how it is. गोल है खूब मगर, you are looking round, you are round, isn't it? Moon is round only, right? Khoob means plenty, but you are round. Magar means but. आप तिरछे नजर आते हैं ज़रा, sometimes you are looks like a slanting. You are round only, but sometimes you looks slanting. तिरछे means slanting. तिरछे means slanting. I found slanting. SLANTING. Okay. Khol hai khoob magar, you are round only, but sometimes you look like slanting. आप पहने हुए हैं कुल आकाश, you are wearing the full sky. You are wearing the full sky. Kul Agash means whole sky. Pahne huye wearing. You have weared. You have weared. What he has weared? The whole sky. Tarom jada. What it is filled with? That sky is filled with what? Tarom. Tarom means stars, right? So it is that girl is telling to moon that you are round only, but sometimes you look like slanting. You are wearing the whole sky with the full of stars. सिर्फ मुख खोले हुए हैं अपना गोरा चिट्टा गोल मटोल. It is telling that your mouth only open. It is that moon is like flat, right? It looks like it has opened his mouth. So you are opening your mouth and sitting. Gora chitta, you are so white. Gora chitta means so white. You are so white. And gol patol, flat and gol also, round also, flat also. Patol means, matol means flat. Gol matol, round and flat. You are so white and you are also round and also flat. So it is that girl is telling that. What is the meaning of that para? Once more you listen. You are round only, गोल है खूब मगर आप तिरछे नजर आते हैं ज़रा, आप पहने हुए हैं कुल आकाश तारों जड़ा, सिर्फ मुँह खोले हुए हैं अपना गोरा चिट्टा गोल मटोल. You are round only, but sometimes you looks like slanting. You have weird. What you have weird? You have weird the whole sky and with the stars. Your mouth looks like you have opened your mouth, and also you are so white and also round and flat. Right? Okay, understood? Then we can go to the next para. Next page number 24. अपनी पोशाक को फैलाए हुए चारों स्मित. You have spread your dress. What he has weared, what that moon has weared, this whole sky, right? So it is telling that अपनी पोशाक को फैले हुए चारों स्मित. पोशाक means dress. पोशाक means dress. पोशाक means dress. फैले हुए चारों स्मित. Everywhere look so smile by spreading your dress everywhere. What is the dress of moon? That sky only. So you have spread your dress everywhere and smiling. आप कुछ तिरछे नजर आते हैं जाने कैसे खूब हैं खोकी. You are looking round only, but how you are looking slanting, that we can't know, we don't know. आप कुछ तिरछे नजर आते हैं जाने कैसे, how you are looking like slanting, we don't know. खूब है गोकी, you are looking round only, but you have more you are round only. You are looking sometimes slanting only, then even how don't know, but you are round only. वाह जी वाह, इसको हमको बुद्धू ही निरा समझा है. हम समझते हैं नहीं जैसे कि आपको बीमारी है. आप कटते हैं तो कटते ही चले जाते हैं, और बढ़ते हैं तो बस यानी कि बढ़ते ही चले जाते हैं. दम नहीं लेते हैं जब तक बिल्कुल ही गोल नहीं हो जाए. बिल्कुल गोल, यह मर्ज आपका अच्छा ही नहीं होने में आता है. यह मर्ज आपका अच्छा ही नहीं होने में आता है. व्हाट इज दैट? अपनी पोशाक को फैलाए हुए चारों स्मित. यू हैव स्प्रेड योर ड्रेस एवरीवेयर एंड यू आर स्माइलिंग. समटाइम्स आप कुछ तिरछे नजर आते हैं जाने कैसे खूब है गोकी. यू आर लुकिंग सो you are looking slanting. You sometimes you will become slanting, how you don't know, but you are round only. वाह जी वाह, वेरी गुड, लाइक दैट. हाँ हाँ, लाइक दैट वी विल टेल ना. हमको बुद्धू ही निरा समझा है. यू थॉट लाइक वी आर फूलिश, लाइक दैट ही सासी. हमको बुद्धू ही निरा समझा है. यू आर थिंकिंग दैट वी आर फूलिश ओनली. हम समझते ही नहीं जैसे कि आपको बीमारी है. You have one illness is there na. What illness he is having? Bimari means sick. You are sick na for something. For what he is sick? हम समझते ही नहीं जैसे कि आपको बीमारी है. We don't know that you have one illness is there. What illness? आप कटते हैं तो कटते ही चले जाते हैं. If you are cutting and going, if you are reducing your shape means you are reducing and going. If you are बढ़ते हैं तो बस यानी ही बढ़ते ही चलते. If it is increasing means the shape, if it is increasing means it is increasing and going, isn't it? So we will see now, first and all the moon will be small, then it will grow, then it will grow, then it will grow, like that, right? Then after full it will be round, then after that it will go slowly, like that, isn't it? So he is telling that if you are going less means you will be the less going less only. If you are raising, if you are increasing your size means it will be increasing only. So that illness you have na, you we know that very well. Like that it is she is telling, we know that very well that you have that illness. You are thinking that we are buddhu, we are foolish. We know that your illness. Like that she is kindling and telling. दम नहीं लेते हैं जब तक बिल्कुल ही गोल ना हो जाए. You are not at all taking rest. You won't take rest till you become a round moon. Isn't it? It will that is telling that it will that moon will at last it will become a moon na. It will be round na. So they are telling that you won't take rest till you become round. दम नहीं लेते जब तक बिल्कुल ही गोल ना हो जाए. You still you will become a round shape. You never take rest. Like that बिल्कुल गोल fully you will become राउंड. यह मर्ज आपका अच्छा ही है नहीं होने में आता है. इट इज़ गुड फॉर यू ओनली. सीजन इट. अच्छा ही नहीं होने में आता है. यह मर्ज आपका अच्छा ही नहीं होने में आता है. इट इज़ योर विश ओनली. इट इज़ we know that this is natural only because of your wish only. This is not your wish. We know that it is because of the natural only. Like that it is telling. So we know that, right? First and all the moon will be small, then it will increase, and after that what happen? It will become a full moon, right? That only here it is telling. That is that simply one poem only, not important. And how the moon will be. The moon is in round shape, right? Like that, and then only this girl is talking something. Okay, nothing else is there. Okay, then anything else? We can go to the so here what you have, what I am thinking that from this poem I'll ask 5 questions. Means maybe meaning will be there or some questions will be there. Okay, like how the moon will be. Moon is in which shape? Gold. That much only. Then sometimes the moon will be in which shape? Tirche. One word only. Okay, I will ask like that. Okay, then some words meaning I will ask. So some meanings and all I didn't write and give. That meanings and all you have to listen the video and you have to write in that. Okay, this is only trick for me. So this time I didn't write full meaning in that. So you have to listen the video. So because when I am writing and giving means you are not listening on that word and all. So you have to listen that word and you have to find out and you have to write the meaning there. And when I am asking the questions from the maybe in that meaning also I will tell you to find out. So listen carefully the video and answer my one word questions. Okay, I'll ask 5 questions after this class. So send the answers as soon as possible. Okay, my dear kids, read the lesson, read twice and get sign from your parents. Do whatever the teachers are telling. Most of the students are doing very nicely, my dear kids. I am so happy with that. So those who are not at all in touch with the teachers, please keep in touch with the teachers. If you have any problem, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in Hindi. If you have any doubt, please ask me at any time. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.